As someone who hasn't checked a bag in more than 5 years of travel across the US and abroad, I've thought a lot about what makes a good piece of carry-on luggage. A summertime European vacation calls for a sturdy wheeled suitcase, whereas backpacks will suit more rugged trips. Either way, the best carry-ons should be both capacious and easy to keep organized, with handy pockets and compartments. I prefer a carry-on that looks good too, as I often take it out and about with me on the last day of my trip. When it comes to shopping for luggage, especially online, it's tough to know where to look and whether a suitcase will fit everything that you need inside. Luckily, my colleagues and I have tested all of these suitcases and bags ourselves, while also seeking advice from travel experts and frequent flyers about what they recommend. We have listed the 5 best carry-on luggage 2024, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Samsonite is one of the more recognizable luggage brands out there. Hang out at any airport in the world, and you'll eventually spot someone traveling with one of their bags. That prevalence brings reasonable expectations for build quality, design, and ergonomics. In other words, we expect a hassle-free experience traveling with this Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Apart from the stylistic choices Samsonite made on the outside, this rolling carry-on luggage has a relatively simple design. There are minimal built-in pockets. Instead, it's up to the user to supplement with organizers like tech pouches and packing cubes. The amount of space is generous, though almost to a fault since, despite the name, carry-on compliance is hit or miss more on this as we dive into the review. The main material used for the hard shell is polypropylene. If that sounds familiar, that's because it's one of the most common forms of plastics, similar to ABS and polycarbonate. You'll find a lot of arguments as to which of these are the most durable. One of the key things most will point to is how much flex there is on the material. In the Freeform Carry-On Spinner's case, the polypropylene hard shell does noticeably give when you press on it, but not to a worrying degree, and that flex helps the suitcase close when overstuffed. Plus, the material handles scrapes and scratches pretty well. For more context, this bag has survived gate check on Delta with little to no scratches to show for it. We want to say that the Freeform Carry-On Spinner looks striking with its glossy lines that kind of remind us of that tub Neo from The Matrix woke up from. However, it doesn't really stand out that much once you're walking around a busy airport terminal. The black colorway we chose helps keep it low-key, though more colorful options are available at the time of writing. The pink rose variant looks particularly inviting. Number 4. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Soft Side. Founded in the 1980s by a pilot who was always on the go, Travel Pro is an innovative luggage brand that has set the standard for the rolling luggage we all travel with today. The brand's bags, initially designed for airline personnel, were the first to roll upright and use a telescopic handle, and they were quickly adopted by the public who appreciated that the bags were easy to use and made frequent flying a breeze. In recent years in the Good Housekeeping Institute Textiles Lab, we've tested more than 100 suitcases from popular luggage brands. And after extensive evaluation, Travel Pro's suitcases, especially its soft-side luggage, continue to stand out in our tests. The bags have performed especially well in our durability and ease of packing tests, and they're beloved by our testers, including myself, who tried the bags out in our luggage obstacle course and even took them on their own work trips and vacations. Travel Pro offers a variety of soft and hard-side suitcases, along with other bags and travel accessories like backpacks, packing cubes, and duffels. The brand's best-selling Platinum Elite collection is one of our favorite luggage lines for business trips, and for those who travel regularly because of their top-of-the-line construction and functional features, like easy-to-access external pockets, self-aligning wheels, and durable nylon material. Travel Pro is best known for its soft-side suitcases. The Platinum Elite carry-on and checked bags use a heavyweight nylon fabric that performed well in our abrasion assessments, resisting wear and tear after being rubbed back and forth 15,000 times by our Weizenbeek abrasion tester, which simulates extended use. Plus, the material is covered in DuraGuard, a water and stain-resistant coating that helps keep your luggage in tip-top shape even with lots of use. We gave the zippers perfect scores for water resistance during our tests. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Baseline Carry-On. Briggs & Riley, the company known for quality, craftsmanship, and durability in their travel gear, has set the standard for soft-sided carry-on bags with the Briggs & Riley Essential 22-inch two-wheel expandable carry-on. Crafted for the jet setter of today, this carry-on seamlessly merges practicality with panache. offering a tantalizing option for travelers craving both dependability and sophistication in their luggage choices. After traveling over 200,000 miles last year, I've developed a list of frequent flyer travel essentials, and this carry-on is one of the travel products I can't imagine traveling without. The suitcase boasts innovative features such as an expandable compression system and trifold garment keeper, providing ample packing space while maintaining a sleek profile. Its CX One Touch system allows for effortless expansion and compression for easy storage in most US overhead bins. The exterior-mounted outsider handle offers added convenience, making it a top choice for sophisticated travelers seeking reliability, despite its premium price. From top to bottom, this Briggs & Riley carry-on has been ingeniously engineered. After traveling with the bag to Hawaii and Europe, the bag's key features continue to impress me. In addition to getting the essentials right, like a smooth ride, sturdy handle, and YKK self-repairing zippers, the bag has several unique highlights. Here's why the Briggs & Riley Essential 22-inch two-wheel expandable carry-on is my new favorite carry-on bag. Most suitcases have interior-mounted handles, making the floor bed inside the suitcase tough to pack. The patented outsider handle of the Briggs & Riley carry-on ensures a nearly flat interior, optimizing space and reducing the risk of wrinkling. Number 2. TravelPro Platinum Elite Hardside. TravelPro has long been the preferred luggage brand for airline crew and travelers. The company was founded by a commercial airline pilot, which has only added to its credibility and appeal. One of the best-selling carry-on bags from TravelPro is the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner. The expendable carry-on is fashionable and practical, combining an attractive exterior with smooth maneuvering and long-lasting construction. Its durable casing is made entirely of 100% polycarbonate, and its textured surface helps to hide scratches and scuffs. Here's why the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner could be a smart option for your next carry-on luggage. The TravelPro Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner stands out as a durable and stylish choice, praised for its smooth maneuverability, durable polycarbonate shell, ample storage space, and convenient tech features like USB ports, making it a trusted option for frequent travelers despite minor concerns about bulkiness and weight. With a design that is both long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing, the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner is a bag that is made of high-quality materials and trusted by airline crews and passengers all over the world. Here are some of the most noteworthy features of this carry-on bag. TravelPro excels in one aspect that sets them apart from their carry-on bag competitors: the wheels on their luggage. The brand utilizes its own patented Precision Glide System 8 MagnaTrack technology to create spinner wheels that effortlessly glide across various terrains. We were impressed by the TravelPro X Travel Plus Leisure carry-on spinner's wheels during our testing, and we found the performance of the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner equally remarkable, as demonstrated by an exceptional level of smoothness. Number 1. Swissgear Scion Softside Expandable. The Swissgear Scion boasts a durable base, a consistently reliable ground performance, and a host of smart organizational extras sure to thrill even the most calculated packers among us. And with its highly accessible price point, this case is a high-value pick among softshell carry-ons. Although it's technically sized too large for domestic carry-on requirements and not the lightest, we still found it a versatile 360-degree spinner, offering everything most of us will ever need for a quick cross-country flight or a relaxed weekend away with friends. Check out our full review to see how the Scion ranked among the best carry-on luggage. An excellent value among soft-sided carry-ons, the Swissgear Scion Softside Expandable 21-inch is a solid mid-range carry-on suitcase set to do it all. It can store and organize everything well, resist wandering hands, and keep an easy pace alongside you through all kinds of adventures. It also comes housed in a casual, unassuming design, just as well suited to weekend getaways as it is for cross-country business travel. Weighing 7.3 pounds empty, this soft shell's main storage compartment offers 45 liters of volume and is complemented by awesome organizational components to ensure you can store and carry a whole heck of a lot without losing track of any of your most critical day of incidentals. You can always choose to disregard any of these helpful assists and just toss your stuff into the generous main compartment and go. Either way, 2 compression straps inside the heart of the bag will alleviate concerns that your bulky items will dominate the storage area or get tossed about inside the suitcase while you're in motion.